Here goes Zach's Subaru about to pull out Mitchell's rear-wheel drive GMC truck. Let's see. Oh my gosh, if this were... Oh man. The day has come where the trucks have not been strong enough.
You got a neutral? Yeah. Go a little bit forward here, go a little bit loose. Alright, you're fine. Woo! Look at this thing moving. Huh?
It's really kind of crazy.
Yeah. Nope. Start your truck, put reverse. You're going to have to help.
Oh, I don't want to
Here, Mitchell, hop out.
Yeah, it's your clutch.
It dug.
No, you dug fast. Oh, my, you now? No, a little bit. No. Okay, somebody tell him when to stop.
Uh-oh. Little help from the truck, but barely. He's so deep already in there.
It ain't gonna work.